So what is this ELGA BOY? ELGA stands for English Language and General Awareness and BOY stands for Beginning of Year Exam. Every student of lead-powered school needs to undertake the ELGA BOY exam. This assessment helps in improving English-speaking skills of the students. And now there is an option to conduct this exam via either online or offline mode. In this video, we'll see how to schedule a lead ELGA BOY assessment easily. As the first step, you need to update all relevant information about your school, such as address, student information, number of classrooms, and availability of English teachers on Lead School's nucleus system. To conduct the assessment in offline mode, teacher has to select the date and type objective or subjective of offline BOY exam. Then download the exam papers by selecting Download BOY Packet option. And finally, conduct the exam as a classroom test using this exam paper. To conduct the test in online mode, go to Online BOY section. Then either the school coordinator or the principal can select the desired date of assessment for the classes. Once done, Learn screen of Student app will show the ELGA BOY assessment card with its schedule. Then on the scheduled date, the assessment can be conducted anytime. All the questions in this assessment will be MCQs, meaning multiple choice questions. Once the assessment starts, then it needs to be completed within the allotted time for it. If the students find some question difficult, then they can pass that question and move ahead. They can later come back to attempt that question if they want. Finally, once the assessment is completed in the app, students' results are updated and recorded on Lead's Nucleus ERP. For tests conducted in offline mode, schools can upload the final scores of students in Go to Students Details page option. Please note that once you have decided on the mode of the exam, be it online or offline, and have selected a scheduled date for it, after this assessment, your school would be ready for ELGA grouping and class allocation. For any support on this, you can always contact your assigned Academic Excellence Manager.